Hey, welcome to an episode of Derek Car Mods. I'm Jeff, and today I'm here at my local Honda dealership to get my car looked at. My car currently has a check engine light, and when we scanned it, it comes out as P0420, which means that it has a bad catalytic converter. And there you go, P0420. Now, some of the solution to fix this code is replace the O2 sensors for the upstream and downstream, and also put Catalytic, and that might clear the code for a little bit. But the car is under warranty. I live in California, and it is a partial zero emission vehicle. You can verify that with a sticker that's under the hood. Now, if you look under the hood, you'll see this white sticker, and in here will let you know if your vehicle is a partial zero emission vehicle. It is this PZEV right here. If you look at your warranty book, for a couple states that have the vehicle that's like partially zero emission vehicle, the warranty actually is number C right here, and it tells you what the A, B, and C means, the minimum and the vehicle and so forth. And I live in a state which has the PZEV, which is a partial zero emission vehicle. And if you have that, it falls under the warranty for C. The warranty for any emission related part is 15 years and 150,000 miles. Now, I already took my vehicle into the dealership a couple days ago, and they scanned it, and it did come back as P0420. All right, so this is what the dealership had provided me when I first dropped off the vehicle. They told me that the cost of the diagnostic fee is $219.88 to check what the check engine light is going to be. They said that if it is a P0420, that it will be covered under warranty. However, if it wasn't or had other issues, that might not be covered under warranty, and I want to get the work done at that dealership, then they would deduct that price from the repair bill. But if I decline all services, then I would have to pay that $219.88 before I can get my car back. All right, and so when they scanned the vehicle, it came back as P0420. As you can see, they stated that it's covered under the 15 years, 150,000 mile warranty, but the part is currently on back order. And so at first they told me that I would have to leave the car at the dealership, and they would order the part, and I would come and pick it up once they repair everything. But however, because the part wasn't back order, what they suggested was that I can take the car back that same day. They will give me a call when the part comes in, and then I would have to come back to the dealership and get it fixed, because they weren't sure how long it's going to take to get the part for the catalytic converter. As you can see, there's no charge. And so that's what I did. I took the car back and waited for the phone call. All right, and a couple days later, I received a text from the dealership saying that the part is there. And so I made an appointment to get my car fixed. Even though I didn't make an appointment for that particular day, since the part did arrive at the dealership, they were able to squeeze me in and get the car repaired by the end of the day. All right, so I'm here at my local dealership, and I just dropped off the vehicle to get the cat replaced. I don't know, you can see my car all the way up there getting pulled in. But yeah, so if you're in California and you have a partially zero emission vehicle and you're under the 15 year or 150,000 miles, definitely take it to the dealership and have them replace the cat under warranty. The cat, if you were to buy it yourself, is going to be about $1,500, and it's not recommended that you buy aftermarket cat because it won't last and it won't pass emission. And so you had to buy an OEM cat, and so don't even waste your money and time buying aftermarket cat. Alright, so it's been a couple days since I got the catalytic converter replaced under warranty. As you can see, the check engine light has not returned. So if you live in those handful of states that have the emission for 15 years or 150,000 mile warranty and your car is still within that warranty period, definitely take it to the dealership and get it replaced free of charge instead of trying to fix that issue with this bottle of Catalytic or changing the O2 sensor. Alright, so I hope this video is informative and saves you some money and time getting your catalytic converter replaced under warranty. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.